At the front of the transducer where you will find Echo Smart Care with its logo. Now turn to the side, you will see the scanning indicator and the power button. On the back of the probe shows probe information. This is the wrist strap bar, which can be placed in. Here is the scanning area. Lastly, this is where the charger plugs. To charge the probe, simply open the port cover. Plug in Type-C charger into the port. The LED white light will start blinking once the probe is charging. Recommend users to charge at least 30 minutes for the first time. To turn on the probe, press the button and hold for 1 second. The green light indicates the probe is turning on. To turn off the probe, it's the same way by pressing the button and hold for 1 second.